Hello student, good morning. In previous video we have seen the information about factors which are most important for the establishment of any type of industries. Okay, yesterday I have given you homework figure number 8.2. By studying the figure number 8.2, okay, you have to solve the below answer. So I hope okay you will return all this answer. Now today's video, okay, we will discuss next information, page number 53. While looking for the answer to the above question, you must have realized that for the localizations of iron and steel industry, the most important factor are the availability of material and energy. So okay, by studying the figure number 8.2, okay, the first question was there, name the industry at Jamshedpur. Which industry is there? Iron and steel industry. So while studying the 8.2, okay, you realize that for the iron and steel industry, the most important factor is अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल एंड एनर्जी. उसके लिए कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है? अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल एंड एनर्जी, बोथ ऑफ विच आर अवेलेबल अराउंड द जमशेदपुर, एंड ऑल दिस रॉ मटेरियल इज अवेलेबल अराउंड द जमशेदपुर. मीन्स इमेजिन why you can say the founder of this factory, why they established in the Jamshedpur? Because first of all they you can say they saw that there is a availability of raw material. okay, मतलब जहाँ पे रॉ मटेरियल मिलता है, okay, उसी एरिया में उन्होंने वो क्या आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री ओपन किया. वैसे nowadays, okay, in our India there are so many places, so many mega cities, but Jamshedji Tata, why he didn't not open in any place? Why open or establish in Jamshedpur? Because there is a availability of raw material and energy. So the raw material is heavy and bulky, and it is uneconomical to transport to a factory far away. So those raw materials we can say available around the Jamshedpur. Okay, these raw material are very heavy. ऐसे वो heavy. Which material or which raw material? See there, iron ore, manganese, limestone, coal. Okay, all these are raw material. Okay, which are most important for the iron and steel industries. And these all materials are very heavy and bulky. That's why it is we can say most expensive to transport from one place to another place or far away. ये सभी रॉ मटेरियल कैसे है, बहुत ही हेवी है, इसलिए उनका ज़्यादा दूर तक हम उसका क्या नहीं कर सकते, उसको ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स व्हाई अनइकोनॉमिकल टू ट्रांसपोर्ट इट टू फैक्ट्री फॉर अवे. Hence, it is favorable to establish this industry in the area where the raw material is available. That's why जहाँ पे ये सभी raw material available है, उसी जगह पे okay, where they establish the iron and steel industries. Listen carefully. Why we can say why establish the iron and steel industry in the Jamshedpur? Because there is a availability of all type of raw material. Which type of raw material? Iron ore, manganese, limestone and coal. And all this raw material is very heavy and it is very expensive to transport one place to another place. ये बहुत ही expensive है, uneconomically favorable, it is unfavorable. So जहाँ पे ये raw material available है, वहीं पे उन्होंने क्या किया, फैक्ट्री स्टैब्लिश किया. दिस इज द रीजन फॉर द इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ द आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री एट जमशेद. दैट इज वाई द जमशेदजी टाटा, okay, they establish iron and steel industry where okay they got all type of raw material in one place. So dear student, now we have to see classification of industries as per their nature. Now we will see classification of industries. Okay, type of industries. First type is small industry, second medium industry, and third is heavy industry. So now which company or which factories are in small industry? Now we will see making of earthen pot. Making of earthen pot means potters. Okay, we use earthen pot. Okay, in the ancient time also, our forefathers, okay, they were using the earthen pot. Okay, nowadays also we are using earthen pot for the waters, bakery products, okay, etc. Okay, these are in small industry. Now we will see medium industry. फ्रूट प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, उसमें क्या आते हैं? फ्रूट्स प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, जैगरी मेकिंग्स उसको बोल जैगरी यानी गुड़. ओके, जैगरी मेकिंग, ये सब कहाँ पे आते हैं? मीडियम इंडस्ट्रीज, फूड प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज. देन थर्ड इज हेवी इंडस्ट्रीज. उसमें सीमेंट, शुगर फैक्ट्री, आयरन, स्टील, ओके, उसमें जो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज है, ओके, वो कहाँ पे आते हैं? हेवी इंडस्ट्री. इन दिस वे दीज आर द थ्री टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज: स्मॉल, मीडियम एंड हेवी इंडस्ट्रीज. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, in this today's video we have seen the type of industries and why Jamshedji Tata established iron and steel industries, okay, in the Jamshedpur. Okay, we have seen all these informations because once again, okay, I would like to give, okay, reason for all this, because there is a availability of raw material and these raw materials are very heavy and it is expensive to transport one place to another place or far away. Okay, that's why hence it is favorable to establish this industry in the area where the raw material is available. In this way, dear student, today's information is enough, okay, and I hope, okay, you will understood very well. Okay, next video we will see next information. Thank you.